SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is showing you my exact play and how I will exactly pay things. Now, as the only person in this space that has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years of personally seeing what's printing me money and what's not, and needless to say, man, this is just okay, this is where we are, and okay, that's it. Now, unless I see like a full candle close above 1422, there's going to be no way that I'm going to look to further buy. Like, let me just get rid of this. So how this is going to look like is I want to see a double break, and if I see that double break, then it's Gucci, and if not, well, I guess I'm not going to be selling, you know. There you go. It's my confirmation point. All I'm doing in the meantime, by the way, is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. It's free.